Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can use your slow motion video, how to make slow motion video in Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, or you can open your camera also. Just swipe down, here it is more option, and then you have to search here slow motion. Here it is the slow motion video. Let's make a slow motion video. So let's start. You can see friends, I have make one slow motion video. You can see it. You can see friend how slow it is. This is how you can make any of the slow motion video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.